Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? In this video, we are going to explain you the code which we use uh, the common code, which is going to tackle all these problems. Means we have a common interface. We started our journey with the problems in which the value of x was supposed to be found, and a set of code was used, right? So that was working for all the different variety of problems which were presented. Later on, new thing we introduced, that is that instead of this value of x, now what if you have to find value of a and b for multiple variables, and what if you have a formula in this yellow highlighted cell? So the system should then not should not use this cell as a uh, as a cell in which it is supposed to increase, decrease the values and come out to the solution. But it should shift from this yellow highlighted cell to the stage 1 and stage 2 or A and B values, right? So let's go and see the code. How does it take? How does the code work, right? So for this, we know that it's a double click event. When we right click on the sheet name, we have a view code here. In the view code, we have these are the sheets which are written here, okay? And these are the procedures, right? So we are supposed to go to the before double click event, right? Yeah. So this is the before double click event. As you can see on the top right corner of there, this is the event which is being used to do all this. So we started with that. As soon as the double click event happens, what should the system do, right? So this is just a click in coloring of a yellow. That's fine. That's nothing to do. Now, the next thing is that it makes sure that you have a my sheet variable initialized, that whatever is the sheet name, you have it in the my sheet, right? And because in different places, when we work on multiple sheets, then it becomes necessary that you specify which sheet do you want, right? So that is stored in my sheet. Okay. The next thing is that it offers you the option fast procedure or normal procedure. So when you say it asks you the fast procedure, then you say yes, and if you say yes, then you have two procedures. Uh, uh, so if right, if the first, if you have a you are making actually the system to check first that what is the value of the yellow highlighted cell. The yellow highlighted cell is always the check X row, right? And how the X row is, it is always when you have the answer row. The it is if you add answer row plus 2, then you are on the yellow highlighted cell, right? If I show you why and how it comes, you see, where is the answer row? Answer row is this, right? Where the answer row comes, right? So this is 223. So 223 plus 2 means 225. That's right. Okay. So these are a few of some logic things in which we are building the logic, right? And that is making your code scalable. It is able to cater all the different variety of the problems, right? So these are the things which are necessary when you do that. Okay. So answer row, that is X row. The answer row plus 2, that makes you the X row, right? The value of X normally we used to. But since this cell is having equal to sign, so this way we are checking if the first character of the yellow highlighted cell, if it is equal to, it means it's a formula. And if it is formula, so it returns true into the check X row is true. Means it's by true, it means that it's a formula, right? It's a formula. If it is formula, then we have made a copy of this, and normally we used to do this, right? This was the procedure we used to do. So we copy it and we made it too, and we made a little bit of changes into this procedure. And what were those things? So these can be seen if you click in here and press Control F. So this is automatically getting this into the find what, and you can use in the current module, right? And say find X. So this is the procedure which is going to take your job is started here. Like, hey, the first thing it does is that it gets the target input cell. What is the target input cell? When you say when you double click on it, so it asks you which procedure, fast or slow, right? And when you say yes, and then it says, okay, what is your target value? Okay, we have 7,000. Then the target gets the 7,000. Okay, and then stage one is stage two. Values are started from 1, and then it will keep on changing these values until the target gets to the what we are desired, what is desired, right? So that the desired value is so the loop which is doing this needful thing is what it is here. It is using this, right? Do while the X row is not equal to target row. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint in here and see. It will be interesting. First of all, let's clear all the breakpoints so that we don't get confused with it. Then we put only one breakpoint that is here. Okay, so let's see what happens. This is an interesting thing which we are going to show you. Okay, so what we do here is we have removed these two things and we double click on it. So it is asking the fast procedure, yes, and giving you what are the target value. So 7,000 our target value. Okay, okay. So this is the breakpoint. Okay, so until here, what it has done? It has done the preparation of the values which it requires for its computation, for calculation, right? Just like a value, it started with 0, and then it has checked into the formula. What are the formula text is this, right? So what is the a value? That means the value which is going to be divided by the value of a is not known. Okay, so the a value is 5,000. That's right. Okay, you can see it is 5,000, right? So it has done a loop around and got the value of a value. Okay, and since it has got the a value from the text value, so why not b? So b value is also done using the same procedure, and this how it has. That's the b value is what that the value that is going to be divided by the b. Okay, the actual value of b. So that we have. We can give any name, but we're just for starting for simplicity we have to. So before starting this procedure, now it is equipped with all the a value and b value, and now it is going to work out the first set of answers. The first set of answer is here. Okay, yeah, this is the first set of answer. It is at the moment it is blank, right? And the second set of answer will start from here. Okay, so what we do here that we run it. Okay, so first set of answer is being worked out. So what we did, we remove this breakpoint and say go until the next breakpoint. So it has completed its first set of answer. It has achieved it. 1, 3 means a the value of a is 1 and value of b is 3. Then it will make this equation true. That's it. It is equal to 7,000. The target is achieved, right? The next is let's remove this breakpoint and we go to the next set of answer. It is going to work out like this, and just before ending it, so we put a breakpoint in here so that we have the next set of answer calculated. So what we do here, we run it. Okay, so it has run and it has reached to the end of the procedure, and now the next set of answer is 5,1. 5,1 is the next answer. Okay, and now it is going to put this value into the answer row, right? And where the place which is designated for holding the answer, right? So that's right here. So the answer is reflected in here, and 1 is put in here, and that's it. And you have this answer. Okay, so this was the explanation of how the code works for the variety of problems. So no hard coding in it. You can make your code such that whatever is the a value, b value, this is the a value, this is a, and this is a value. It means the thing which is going to be divided by a and c, and how to achieve this answer, right? So the code is explained. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.